Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my daily vlog activity. So today I want to review my kitchen time, and today finally this is oh my god, this is my first kitchen from my design kitchen, and this is was test by Hayashi. Okay guys, let's ASMR. I'm so excited for this vlog. I don't know. Look at one, two, three. Look at guys. This is my kitchen. This is design the cat and it playing badminton and with a head cocky, not cocky, head chef and and cat wearing the cup. This cat uh close to my personality, and this is cat. It's me, cat. Cat with the expression, the expression so excited and happy. Yeah, and always cheerful, guys. Okay. And next, my hobby is sport and cooking. So this is my iconic for my kitchen. Wearing the badminton and the head chef. Okay, and the last, oh not last. Next, my personality. I'm so for positive vibes, and then I like some draw for my friend. So this is uh this is my kitchen, and this is me we design in, yeah, in Figma. So if you want it my kitchen don't forget to tell me. Goodbye guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next my vlog. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.